We'll guide you through how to hide WhatsApp apps on laptop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial mainly to improve privacy, reduce distractions, or keep their desktop organized. To begin this tutorial, open your PC and wait until the system fully loads to ensure all desktop elements are accessible. Make sure WhatsApp is installed on your PC so the shortcut is available for modification. Once you confirm this, right-click the WhatsApp shortcut on your desktop to reveal the context menu. From the available options, click Properties to access the configuration settings for the shortcut. Next, locate the General tab and click to open it, as this section contains basic file attributes. Check the hidden box, then click OK to apply the change and close the window. After completing this action, you will see the WhatsApp shortcut become transparent, indicating that the hidden attribute is active. If this happens, it means a setting was previously overlooked and additional adjustments are required for proper visibility behavior. To correct this, right-click the WhatsApp shortcut again and repeat the process. Click Properties, then open General to review the attribute settings once more. Uncheck the hidden box, then click OK to temporarily restore the shortcut to its normal state. Next, open File Manager from your system so you can adjust folder display preferences. Click View to display additional options related to how files and items are shown. Select Show from the menu below to reveal more visibility controls. Uncheck Hidden Items to prevent hidden shortcuts from appearing on the desktop. After completing this configuration, return to the main screen of your desktop. Right-click the WhatsApp shortcut once again to reopen the context menu. Click Properties to open the shortcut settings window. Then open General to access the file attributes for the final time. Check the hidden box, then click OK to confirm the change. The WhatsApp application is now successfully hidden and will no longer be visible under normal viewing settings. You can repeat the same steps anytime to make the shortcut visible again without affecting the application.